A recording is in progress. We'll start today's session. So, good morning. Welcome to a special session on programming in Python. That is a PLC subject, and of course, we will be interested in working on this, project. One of the project which is given in the textbook. So, the project talks about you're having a password locker. It just talks about password locker. So you have accounts on different websites, and it is a bad habit to use the same password for all of the websites. So what you'll do, so this will certainly, if you have the same password for all the websites, what happens, it becomes a security breach, and hackers will learn the password, and they will track your accounts, or they may hack your accounts. It is best to use password manager software on your computer. So, password manager software. This is what we are interested in. So, password manager software. So, we are interested in, and of course, what we are trying to do is here we are showing the password manager. So you can see it is best password manager software. So this password locker is actually uh, password locker is actually the password manager. So what you can do, you will have all accounts and their passwords are stored. So whenever you want to work on these programs, what you can do is you can copy any of the account password to the clipboard and paste it in the website. So the password manager program, you will create this with an example. It is just like you have a Python program. You have a Python program where you will create a dictionary. So this is a Python program. Inside this, if you look at, you have a dictionary. In this dictionary, you have the account. You have the account and their related password. Password. You have the account and password. So you have this is a dictionary. Like this, you have multiple accounts, multiple passwords will be there in a dictionary. And whenever you want to search for some website, some passwords of a particular login or website, what you have to do, you have to give. So what happens, your password manager will search and copy this password to the memory, and in the website you just paste it. That's it. So that is the logic, password locker. So for that, what we are trying to do is step one, we are designing the program under data structure. Step one. So what we are doing, we are having a dictionary. This dictionary is having the data structure that organizes your account and password data and makes your program look like the following. You can certainly see this. So you have the passwords. Passwords is the name of the dictionary. This is your email, and this is the email password. This is your blog. This is your blog password. Similarly, you have a luggage bag. You have the luggage bag. For luggage bag also you have the password. So this is the password. And right now you can see you have all these passwords stored in a dictionary. It is a sample. You can store multiple accounts, multiple passwords you can store in real time. So what you are trying to do? Step 2, handle the command line part, arguments. So first, let me understand what is this command line argument. Let me run this program and show it to you. Where is this program? This program is available on the desktop. Hope you can see my desktop, right? Can you see my desktop?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Nikhil Reddy and Nirmai, thank you. So, yeah, many of you. So I have in the desktop. I have a you know folder called Python examples. I have a folder called Python examples. In that folder, I have password .py file. It is there. You just see I have written this program. Uh, I have written this program and it is ready. So you can open with a notepad. You can certainly do it. Open with a notepad. You can certainly see what is that program I have written. The same way I have imported sys and paperclip. Paperclip, you know very well, paperclip is used for handling your copy paste. So what I'm trying to do here is, so I am giving the account, I'm giving the account and in the command line, and it is copying to the memory. It is copying to the memory. So I'm giving command, I'm giving in the command. So I have typed this program, I have saved it, and it is available here in the folder. You can see it is available in this folder. It is available in the folder. You can see it is available in this folder. You can see it is available in this folder. And so it is available in this folder. And of course, you can see it is there. So in order to run this, what I'll do, I'll go to command prompt, cmd. So I told in the first class itself how to run Python programs. So there are three ways. One is using command line, another was using saved programs, another using your Jupyter notebook. So here, so okay, CD desktop. It is in the desktop. In the desktop, it is you have Python examples. Yes, it is there in the Python examples. So you can see it is there. It is there. So now let me list the files dir. So my file is here. You can see my file is here. pw password.py. So what I'm doing, I run Python pw.py. If I run, what it is doing, it is not working. It is not doing anything. It says you don't have sufficient arguments. Insufficient arguments it is giving. So that means insufficient arguments means along with this command Python password.py, along this command, I have to use the account number. What account I have to give. So account I have to give. So I have maintained in my program, only three accounts. You can see three accounts details. One is the email, the second one is the blog, and third one is the luggage. You can see all three are there. So email is the first one, or blog is the second one, or luggage is the third one. Which one you want to copy? So let me copy luggage password. So what I do, luggage, luggage, the same name I have used, luggage password. So what happened, it runs and it finds, and the password for the luggage is copied to the memory. It's copied. So you open the luggage and you just paste it. So here you go to that this one, and I have pasted it. You can see it is available 1 2 3 4. Suppose in the same program I just give my password as email. So email password, you have so many, so big it is. Email password is so big, you can't remember also. So what I say Python password manager, my email password. So what it will do, it will search for email and it will copy the password to the clipboard and go to your login in front of the login, just paste it. So here I just Control P, I'm just pasting it. Yes. Control V, I'm pasting it. You can see this is my password. I got it. Not only here, I can go there to any website, anywhere. I can go there. Yeah. Let me go to, yeah, some program or somewhere. So here I create a new cell. I just paste it. Control V. Yes, it is coming. You can see it is coming. It is coming. So I create one more cell. Control V. Yes, it is available. So that means whatever the password that you type, whatever the account you type, it will, their password is copied to your clipboard. So blog, I just keep blog. What happens? So blog password gets copied. You can see blog password gets copied. Yes. Now here in the blog, I just paste. You can see this is the blog password. Go to the program and check. Yeah, blog password is VMAL something and last SDT. Same thing, VMAL. So VRN, sorry, it is not VM, VRN. So here also VRN, it is, yeah, it is SDT. Yes, it is done. You can see it is available. So whatever the passwords that you have stored in the password manager or the passwords dictionary, it gets copied to the memory, and there you have to just paste it. That's it. So second thing is you are checking the number of arguments, command line arguments. Command line arguments means you got now, I think. So along with your this one, uh, along with your command, this is your command. Along with your command, you are supplying some argument. This is called command line argument. You can see Python pw.py is the command. For this command, what you are doing, you are supplying blog. This is the argument, command line argument. You are supplying the argument. So Python pw.py is the command, and for this you are supplying email. Python pw.py, you are supplying luggage. Python pw.py, you are not supplying any argument. No argument is available. No argument is available. So it is giving no argument, insufficient number of arguments. So this is called command line arguments. Command line arguments, along with the command, Python execution command, you are supplying some argument that is called command line argument. So that is called command line argument. You can see along with this you are supplying, and this is called command line argument. This is called command line argument. Hope you understand. How to handle this command line argument is this way. You can see if your length, you can see sys.argv. Sys.argv indicates it is arguments, that is command line arguments. If it is less than 2, if it is less than 2, that means you should have at least 2. One is the command, one is the command. Command is your Python is the command. Name of the file pw.py is the command, and you are passing along with this. So if it is less than 2, that means you are giving only one. The second one is not there. Then it will display this message. This error message. If you have given, this is argument of 0, this is argument of 1. ARGV is actually it's a array, it's a list. This is ARGV of 0, and this is ARGV of 1. It is 1, and whatever you give here, that goes into account. Account is a string variable. In the next step, what you are trying to do is you are searching. If look at here, look at this line, the pointed arrow line. Okay, if accounts, I think I should zoom it so that you understand, you see better. You can see here, if accounts in password, I'm talking about this line, I'm talking about this line. If accounts dot password in, if accounts is in password, so then copy that passwords of account, passwords related to that particular account to paperclip. So that is what you have to do. You have to copy that, and you print a message, password for this account has been copied to the clipboard. If that particular account is not available, if that account is not available, you can certainly display an error message. There is no account named, the account. So that you can certainly do it. That you can certainly do it. So let me show this concept. Let me show this concept. So, so the same concept. Let me show in the command prompt. I'll take you to the command prompt. Inside the command prompt, look at here. I give, instead of blog, I give website. There is no, there is no account listed in the, you know, password dictionary website. So what it will do, it will give me an error. There is no account named website. It is not there. You don't have account name called website. So you have only three things. One is blog, another one is email, another one is luggage. All three I have already used it. If I use a new one, it says it is not there. So it is just like this. So whenever you have a password for any particular account, you go to that particular directory. In that directory, in that dictionary, you add it. You add it. So automatically it will be there. So this is how you can manage your password. This is what you call it as password manager. This is one of the project that they have given in your textbook, and many times you can get. Now, let us work on some of the problems. Hands-on program, that is Python program to find number of palindrome words in a line of text. And you have so many questions, well bracketed and other things. We'll see one by one. Python program to find palindrome words in a line of text. So number of palindrome words. Let's say, for example, C is equal to 0. Take C is equal to 0. And my sentence is, wow, madam, you speak Malayalam. This is my sentence. What I do, I split this. I split this using split function, dot split. When I split this, so each becomes one item in a, each word becomes an item in a list. It becomes an item in a list. So each one becomes an item. 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 So wow becomes an item. Madam becomes an item. You become an item. Speak become an item. Malayalam becomes an item. Item of a list. An element of the list. So what you are trying to do, it is a list. Now you are creating a list of all the words you are creating. And for I loop, for I is first holding the first word. What is the first word? Wow. So you are calling the function is palindrome of I. If is palindrome of I. So what is that it is doing? It is checking here. So wow is being sent to my string, and it is checking if my string is equal to my string colon -1, and if the length is greater than 1. If it is greater than 1, why are you checking this greater than 1? If there is a single word, yeah, my name is Malayalam, and I am a teacher, So I is a single word, am is two words, a is a single word. Single words you cannot claim it as palindrome words. That's why it should be greater than one. So what I'm trying to do is the word should be greater than one in the length, and the normal word and its reverse. If it is same, then you are returning true. If this becomes true, what you are doing, you are printing that word and you are incrementing C. C is equal to C plus 1. You are displaying the word, and C also you are incrementing. So next you take the next word, Malayalam. Next you take the word you. Next you take the word speak. Next you take the word Malayalam. So in that you can see one, two, three words are palindrome, and finally what it display? It displays the number of palindrome words are C. That is 3. It will display 3 here. So this is how the things will work. This is how things will work. So let me execute this same program in here. So before pattern matching, anyhow, I just add one, and I write the same code. So same code is available with me. So I have the same code. So let me write the program. Let me write the program. So it is there. It's here. I'm just copying the program. Copy. And just pasting the question. So this is the question. Python program to display all palindrome words appearing in a line of text. Then what I'm doing, I'm just taking all the and I'm pasting it here. Yes, it is available. So print I, and C plus is equal to 1, plus is equal to 1. Finally print number of palindrome words is equal to C, and you initialize C to 0. So anyhow, it is already given. This is already given. You can see I can certainly run this code. As I run, it will display wow is a palindrome, madam is a palindrome, Malayalam is a palindrome. The number of palindrome words are 3. You can certainly run. You can certainly run this. So this is the way you can run. This is the way you can run. Next in the program list. So we can go to the next program. Python program to reverse characters of each words are words in a line of text. For example, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The character, the letter is reversed. Quick is reversed. Brown is reversed. Fox is reversed. Each word you have to reverse. Each word you have to reverse. So that is the challenge. Lazy reversed. Dog, it became God. Look at there. Okay, you have to reverse each word. This is the expected output. This is the input text. What do you do? How do you do? How do you do? This is the question. So you have to reverse each word. So that is the question. So for that, I have already solved this problem. Directly we'll get into the solution. Let us dive into the solution directly. So I go to the, first let me type the program. Okay, program is ready. And let me type the question also. So question is also very important for me. Yeah, I just take the question also. Yes, question also, copy it and put it here. So since question is in 3 lines, I just write it like this. So Python program, you can see Python program to reverse each character in a line of text. For example, input text is so and so, or expected output. Expected output is this. Okay. You can see expected output is this. So for this, look at the code. First, I'm just using reverse string. Reverse string. The string I have already, it is already given. You can see it is already there. Your reverse string of words, I'm calling a function, reverse string of words. I'm calling a function by passing the entire sentence. You can see new string is equal to empty. It's only 4 lines code, that's all. Very simple, 4 lines codes. For words in text.split, whatever you are passing here, whatever you are passing, whatever you are passing here, this is the main problem with the so whatever the words that you are passing, you can see here. So this entire words goes into text, and in the text what is happening here is it is splitting the word into words, and of course it is the same way. So it creates a list of words, and you have all the words in the list. So you are converting, you are adding the word, reverse to word, you are adding to the new string along with a space. Adding reverse, you take the word, reverse it, add it to the new string, concatenate, and go to the next. This word you reverse it, add it to the new string. This word you take it, add it, reverse it, add it to the new string. Reverse it, add it, reverse it, add it, reverse it, add it. So all the words are done. Finally, you return the new string. The new string, whatever you are returning, that you are straight away you are printing it. So that is the thing that you can certainly understand. Straight away you can print it. Straight away. So this is the code. See, it's very simple. The question is big, but answer is very simple. When I run, you can see the quick brown fox jumped over a lazy dog. Simple program. Only 3 lines. You can see only 3 lines are there. Only 3 lines. Don't you think this is simple? Yes, definitely it is a very simple program. So further, well, let us get back to the slide and see next question. Write a Python program function to check whether the given equation is a well bracketed equation or not. Do you think, see, this is a bracket a plus b minus c. Is it a well bracketed equation? Yes or no? Yes, thumbs up. No, thumbs down. Is it a well bracketed? No. S. Nurin, right. Giridhar, Harsha, good. Yes. Nirmai, Nikhil. Oh, so many are responding. Madan, Gauri, Srinath Gudi. Yes. This is not, this is well bracketed. Hope you understood the question. You will take an equation and check whether that equation is a well bracketed equation or not. That's well bracketed equation or not. So that is the question. So for this, we check whether this is a well bracketed or not. You just check. Is it well bracketed? So number of open brackets 1, 2. So close bracket. This is this. Yes, this is this. This is this. This is this. Yes. Oh, it is having a shortage. It is not well bracketed. You see, this is an extra additional. So it is not a well bracketed. It is not well bracketed. Correct. Look at the next one. A plus B into A minus B well bracketed. Yes, this is correct. This is yes. This is no. Then this one. No. Third one. Third one. Look at here within string. This is okay. This is open bracket, close bracket. Again, there is an open bracket, a close bracket. This is no. So let me, use the same thing in the code. Let me use the same thing in the code. What we are trying to do is we are defining a function called check well bracketed. Whatever you are, writing the expression, this expression is going and storing in str1. And you are checking BC. BC is nothing but bracket count for I in str1. So I means the character. I will, if it is open bracket, what you are doing, your BC is incremented by 1. BC is equal to BC plus 1. Else if it is close bracket, BC is equal to BC minus 1. So if it is open bracket, then BC bracket count is incremented. If it is close bracket count will reduce. BC is reduced. So return not of BC. Return not of BC. Not of BC means BC means it is true value. If it is having some value, true. If it is having some value, that is the meaning of something is missing. Either so BC should become 0. So number of open brackets should match number of closed brackets. That means BC, finally BC should become 0. If BC is 0, then it represents the false value. It represents the false value. So what you are trying to do is not of false. Not of false is what? True value. So if everything is correct, if BC is open BC and closed BC is same, then BC becomes 0. In this case, when BC is 0, you have to return true. So you are passing not of BC. Not of BC means the reverse of false. Reverse of false is true. True is sent. If there is some value, if BC is BC is having some value, BC is having 2. Just imagine BC is having 2. Sorry. If BC is having 2, that means 2 brackets are open, but it is not closed. It is not well bracketed. But when you return this BC, now it is something other than 0 is having some value. That means it is true value. It is representing true value. So what you are trying to do is you are trying to send not of true. Not of true. That is what this value is all about. That is what it is going to return. So now let us copy let us run the same program. Let us run the same program. Okay. So let us run the same program. Okay. It's here. So let us run the same program. Yes. Let us run, copy it. I just copy the same program. Come to this. So paste the program. But before pasting, let me also type the question. copy the question, write the question. So as comment, oh, it's a very big question. So what I do, I just make it well bracketed. Okay. So let me write this question in 2 lines. Yeah. So when I write this question in 2 lines, so I need triple quotes open and triple quotes closed. So this is a comment, multi-line comment. You can see the same program. I just run it, just run it. You can see the first one is false because there is one extra open bracket. There's one extra open bracket here. It returns, this returns true. You can see true because it is very well bracketed. Number of opening brackets is equal to number of closing brackets. The third one is false because there is one extra closing bracket. So this is what you call it as well bracketed. So well bracketed. So this is what you call it as well bracketed program. So well bracketed. So now let us go back and check. Let us go back and check the next program. So next program. So now what you have to write a program to add ing at the end of the string if the string is the length should be at least a 3. If the string is already ends with ing, then it has to add ly. So you have to read a string, and you have to add ing to the string if the length is more than 3. If it is less than 3, you have to leave it as it is. There is no change. For example, let me quote this. Okay. For this ABC, there is nothing. It leaves as it is. This is ABC. What the thing is, it will do ABC ing. ABC ing, it is adding ABC ing. For string, ing is already there. Ing is already there. So what it will do? It will say, if it is ing is already there, so what it will do? It will add string ly, stringly. Stringly is added. So you can see that you pass a string will go to str1. You check length. If the length is, what is the length? If the length is greater than 2, that means if it is 3, then what you do, so str of -3 colon, -3 colon. So that you are not extracting, you are checking. str of -3, -1, -2, -3. From this colon onwards till the end, if the string is equal to ing, that means at the end, if it is having ing, then for that string, you add ly. Stringly, it is, you add string ly. Else, you add string. str1 is equal to str 1 plus the same string. For string that you add ing. So this is what you call it as stringly function. So we'll see this function. We'll see this program. We'll execute this program, and definitely, yeah. I'll end my class after this program execution. I'll be sharing one very important document with you, which is having a lot of programs, like this exercise programs. I have created a lot of exercise programs. So uh, I'll give that program to you. So this is the program. You can see I just run this program. So for AB it is unchanged. For ABC it is ABCING. For string it is stringly ly. It is doing. You can give something else. So somebody, you want to name somebody in the chat window. If you want to add any word, please type in the word. I'll use the same word in the my program. Anybody, any word you want to give, so that I can add in that program. I can execute that in this program. Any word? Okay, it's a very big word he has given. Mahavir has given. So I go here. I just print add underscore string. Within the string I just paste it. PyWin mem scanner. So it's a word. For this word, it is a very lengthy word, and what it's supposed to do, it has to add ing. That's all. Because it is not ending with ing, so it has to just say it's ing. That's all. It is taking ing. Any other word? Anybody has one word? One word for testing purpose. You can give any one word. You can give for testing purpose. Any word? Yeah, sing. Good. Gautam has given sing. So exactly, I'll use the same. I just copy the same. So SING. So ing, it is ending with ing. So you run it. It is saying singly. Ly is adding ing. Singly it is adding. So like this, you can try this set of programs. You can do set of programs. You can add. You can do things like that. You can do things like that. So this is, and as I committed, I'm going to end my session after this program I set. Yes, all these programs I have typed it in. I have typed in, and it is available. You can see it is available. So many programs I have typed in. All are related to, you know, you can see a function to count number of elements in a string. This is list. This is list. This is comes to string. Fibonacci you have already worked. Well bracketed we have worked. Display string palindrome or not. Display all the palindrome words appearing in the input text. Yes, we have done. We have taken count the frequency of characters in a string. We have done this. I think in the class itself I have done. And count. Consider the string. So display the string without spaces. So this is this word. This is the string that you are trying to do. This is the string that you are trying to give. So that is you are trying to give. This is the word. That is yes is equal to how are you. So this is yes is equal to how are you. So you have to print that string without spaces. You can see without spaces. You have to remove all the spaces and print. So similarly, you have like this. So you have to string Bangalore to Bengaluru. I want to change it. So you can see the program change a given string to a new string. First character and last character should be exchanged. So only first and last characters needs to be exchanged. So it is remove the character and add the index value. So many examples I have. So like this, so many examples we have done, and a few examples I have shown you. I'll share it with you. So this is a set of programs that you can certainly run. This is a set of programs that you can certainly run. Similarly, you have you know you have to find. I will give you a string in multiple lines, and you have to find the longest word. So you can see RNSIT Institute of Technology is affiliated to Vishwesvaraya Technological University. In this multi-line string, you have to find which is the longest word. So the answer is very simple. Word, comma, L is equal to 0, comma, empty, comma. So word becomes empty, L becomes 0. So you can see that. So multiple assignment we have done. For I in A dot split, each word is split. If the len of I is greater than L, so L is actually 0. If it is first length is 3 is greater than N. Then what you do? The len of I, that particular word, len is stored in L. So word is stored in I. So finally, once you complete the entire list of all the words, so finally you get this is the longest word and this is the longest length. That is the length of that particular word. So in this case, my answer is Vishwesvaraya. Vishwesvaraya is the longest word. So if you want, you can try. So the same program is there, and you have to exchange the first two characters. So first two characters you have to exchange. This is the first string, this is the second string I give. So only first two characters gets exchanged with second two characters. Yes, you can do it. So that's the program. You can certainly do it. That's all for today's online special session on solving the problems. So so many problems I have solved, and I have kept it in one Word file. This entire Word file, I'll share it in the group. You can use it along with today's video also. I'll be sharing it. So that's all for the day. Thank you, and for taking your attendance. Please type in your USN in the chat window. USN in the chat window. Please type in your USN in the chat window. I want everybody to type in your USN and chat in the chat window, and you may leave. So there are 37 students. I should get 37 USNs. So that's it from my side. Thank you. Now it is exactly 12 o'clock. 1 minute. Enjoy your 1 minute early break. 11:59. So enjoy. Yeah. Election and Gautam. Okay. Nice reactions. Okay. Done. Let's stop my screen. So yeah. Thank you. So we will continue. If this is impressive, we'll continue this kind of online sessions every weekend whenever we get time in the Saturdays. So try to work on programs and become better programmers. Become better programmers. Thank you. Thank you. All the best. You can leave. You can leave. Yeah. Thank you. Anybody has any question? Sorry, I forgot to ask. You can unmute and you can talk if you have any question.